After that accident in Kurla in Mumbai that led to the loss of life of 6 people and over 50 grievously injured, the bus driver of the Best Bus has been arrested. He has been identified as Sanjay More. The driver has been charged with culpable homicide not amounting to murder. The accused driver has been medically examined, and that is for if he was under the influence of alcohol or not. Now, the police sources have told us that it appears he was not drunk. The accused will be produced in front of the court as well. The BEST technical team will also want to investigate the fault in this case, and if this was a technical failure, a brake fail, and that is why that's how the driver lost control as well. Vidya is joining me for the latest on that. Vidya, you're right there where that horrific incident happened. Both the aftermath and the CCTV show us what possibly happened on the ground. What are you picking up about the details? Show us around. How could 6 people die, 50 grievously injured?
Well, the bus had started from Kurla towards Andheri. Right behind me is the bus that you can see. That's the bus which had rummaged through the streets of Kurla, killing 6 people and injuring 43. But of course, the Mumbai police is trying to find out what really led to this incident. And for that, the technical analysis of the bus, whether there was a brake failure, there was a technical failure, that is something that has to be really found out. But also, Mumbai police has formally arrested the driver. He'll be produced in court in some time, wherein the Mumbai police is likely to, of course, take his police custody, to find out what really is his experience like, whether he has the required experience for getting recruited, who recruited him. These are some issues that will have to be looked into by Mumbai police before arriving at a conclusion as to what really led to this incident, which really killed 6 people and, injured so many more on the streets of Kurla last night.
Vidya, as we look at these visuals on our screen, and it's kind of a reminder of what would have happened. A quick question here. Now that he's been arrested, so there'll be a whole legal procedure. He'll be produced in front of the court. And how further then the investigators will look at what are the multiple angles. I'm also thinking about the injured and their injuries. Are they critical or minor injuries, and they'll be treated and will be discharged? Because with 6 people dead and the death toll increasing, I'm wondering what kind of injuries also were caused to those injured.
Well, those who have imaged, remember the bus was driving on a very high speed. People who managed to escape did, but then there were some who came under it, and with a heavy bus over them, it's certainly difficult to even imagine what would be the condition of those people. The 6 is the toll right now, but certainly everyone's hoping that the toll does not increase. There are a few people who are critical, said to be critical. Their treatment are going, there are a few people still admitted in hospitals. Their treatments is going on, but certainly, investigation and of course taking care of those injured is priority. But investigation for Mumbai police has to find out what really led to this.
You're just on the street, heading back home or heading out, and you're dead because a bus driver out of control has rammed and injured so many people. And we'll try and get more details about those who have died as well. And it's the panic that many are wondering. Remember, this is Mumbai, a highly populated city, narrow stretch, not a big route as much, and also 9:30 p.m. It's a busy stretch when this bus driver lost control. What happened? Was it a brake failure, an accident, or something?